Hey guys, Keyiter here. So, I decided that I will create and publish my own video game, but let's start with a bit of context. I'm not a complete newbie. I have some experience in coding, but I've never managed to finish any project, mainly because they were always too big. So this time, I've decided that I will make a simple 2D puzzle game, and every week or two, I will post a devlog like this about it. So I thought about it a lot, and I came up with an idea. The main concept might not be original, but I've made some research, and I believe that I have not seen anything like that in any game, or at least any well-known game. Here's the thing. There is a ghost boy who loves a ghost girl, but the ghost girl was kidnapped by some bad guy, and the boy wants to rescue the girl. He will encounter various puzzle-like obstacles that he will need to beat, and during the process, he will rescue other ghosts. The ghosts will follow him, and only with their help, he will be able to go further. Depending on how many ghosts are following him, he will have access to different abilities. For example, if at least 3 other ghosts are following him, he will be able to push dogs or break walls. And there will also be places where he will need to leave a friendly ghost to go further. As I was thinking about it, I started to like the concept more and more, so I decided to give it a shot. I've started with a basic 2D movement. I didn't want the ghost boy to have physics. He should be able to fly freely in any direction. I also made him much faster at the beginning of the movement, to make controls feel better and more responsive. When I finally accepted the basic movement, it was time to make friendly ghost follow the ghost boy. I still haven't decided if there will be different formation in which ghost will fly, so currently I implemented only a cone formation. Basically, in each row there is one more ghost, and the current row follows the previous row. The main problem that I encountered was that followed ghosts get stuck if there is something between them and the main ghost. Better pathfinding should fix the problem, but I couldn't find any free pathfinding asset, so I wrote it on my own. I actually implemented 2 different pathfinding algorithms, but the first one was so heavy that I threw it into the trash and created another one from scratch. It's obviously not as good as the built-in Unity nav mesh agent that works in 3D, but I don't see any major performance drops, even with many ghosts, and in most times, ghosts will probably just fly in a straight line. Finally, I made a forward pickup system, which is really simple. You just have to fly into them. On the other hand, a ghost living, or more like a ghost shooting, is more complicated. While holding a button, the indicator arrow appears in the direction of your mouse cursor. On release, the first forward ghost is fired in the given direction. I also made a slow-mo while aiming, as I imagine levels where you need to shoot in a good moment to switch a lever or something. I don't know if I will use it somewhere, but I will find out later. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. And see you again in another week or two.